Hey guys, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I wanted to do a little what I've made recently video, since I haven't done a monthly makes video. So let's get started. First of all, let me welcome you back to my channel. If you are returning, if you are new here, then welcome. Let's get into the things that I've made recently. I've got a card here with everything listed. The first set of things I did, this was mostly in April because I was taking a class, the Angela Wolf Skinny Jean class. This is the pattern that came with the class. I made 3 different pairs of jeans. First one that I did was actually a floral pair, black and white. It's floral. It kind of looks like a cow print, but it's actually flowers. What I ended up doing was taking them apart for the most part, halfway, like the top half, taking that apart, taking loose the waistband because they were too big, readjusting everything, and so now they fit really well. So now I've got that. That's a really good fitting pair of jeans. Those were made with a stretch cotton sateen, so it's a little bit lighter weight than denim. Next, I did a gray. Is made from recycled material. It's a stretch denim. That was the second pair that I did, and I did designs on the pockets with these. But the last pair that I made is a white pair of stretch jeans, and those were the ones that I'm actually the happiest with, because that's the one that I really got the best fit. Now, the next thing that I made was a blue and white. It's just blue and white gingham cotton that I bought at Hobby Lobby. I believe I got this last year, but the pattern I used is Simplicity 8602. It's not really an old pattern, but it's been around for a couple of years, I guess. It's a super simple pattern. Pull it on over your head, and it's got a button closure, one button in the back, but it's really easy to make, and I've made this before. This one was really quick to put together, and so that was the next thing that I made recently. Next was a sleeveless ruched tee. This is the Angela Wolf Patterns ruched tee. This I've made many times before. I've made different versions of this, long sleeve, some short sleeve. There are different collar options, different length options. You could do ruching, you could not do ruching. There's a lot of variety with this particular pattern, and in fact, one of the ruched tees, the sleeveless ones, I made 2 sleeveless. This is one of them that I'm wearing right now, and but I also made one in a bright yellow. It's like a ribbed knit. It's fairly lightweight fabric, and it has a lot of stretch. That one came together pretty quickly, as did this one. So these were 2 more things that I made just about a month ago. The next thing I had done was, this was a short robe, some floral cotton, like quilting cotton, that I had bought locally here at G Street Fabrics. This is the pattern. It's a very old pattern, Simplicity 9330. This is pretty straightforward and easy. It has very good size, surprisingly good size inseam pockets in the robe. Okay, so the last thing that I have done, which I really just finished about a week or so ago, is it's a Minerva make for me. It is a navy and white poly cotton blend gingham is the fabric. I'm a Minerva maker, so they gifted me the fabric, and so they also gifted me a pattern. So I chose Burda style 6760, and I made view B down here. Got the pockets and darts in the front. It has darts in the back, and a raised collar. like I said, it's actually easy to put together. It just took me some time. That is it, I think, for this video. I just wanted to share with you some of the things that I've made recently. I thank you all for watching. If you are willing and able and interested, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching.